All right, so this is my first look at the Perplexity Comet browser, and I watched this video right here, and I also watched this one, Perplexity testing the new AI web browser. Now, this was 4 weeks ago, and this one was 3 weeks ago. And it actually had a bunch of use cases, but the one that I tried is going to this website and I took a screenshot of it, and this was at 4:14 p.m. today. Then I created a fake web shot for yesterday, which is this one. So what I did was I took the data and I moved it around. I changed on here from November 26th. I took the XLV 0.59 and which was at Consumer Staples, and I switched that with XLV, which was healthcare. So I moved those around. XLV 0.65. Well, this one XLV here is now 0.59 on the fake one from yesterday, when really yesterday was 0.65. And I also moved Consumer Staples here, which it was in reality 0.59. So I took the fake one. And I put it in the browser. I uploaded it to here and I said, compare the attached image data from yesterday to the data found at, and I put in the website, which is this website, and tell me which sector fund moved the most in a positive green direction. Also tell me the one that moved the most in a negative direction. I even gave it a really jacked up sentence right there, and it understood what I meant. So it read the files. It read the file I uploaded, and it also read the file of the page. It read the actual page, and it compares them and says the sector performance data from the attached August 25th to the current August 26th. Here are the funds with the biggest changes. XLI 0.103 to 0.109. Now, I thought that was an error because my screenshot from today, here, the 26th, it was saying it was 103 for XLI. See if we can make this smaller. XLI. XLI 1.09. Now I had 1.09, but really they had updated the website since the hour that I checked it. So in industrials, XLI 109 actually ended up being this one, which is industrials 103. So from 4:14 p.m. today to 5:28 p.m. today, the website itself updated. So the AI agent is right. XLI is 103. So what it's saying is the largest gain yesterday, still a strong performance today, but slightly less than the previous day. However, financials also increased 0.75 to 0.77. So really it was comparing my earlier screenshot to the current data that is on the website, and the website had updated between my screenshots. Then it says the biggest change in the positive direction from yesterday to today was healthcare. 0.59, negative 0.59 to positive 0.62. This is a significant turnaround from a loss to a gain to a solid gain. It's really analyzing here, making XLV healthcare the sector with the largest positive swing. So it looks like it's actually reading it and interpreting it. Can you take a screenshot of the page so we can do this comparison tomorrow? This is what I asked it. I'm unable to take a screenshot of web pages directly. I didn't know if it could or not, but it answered me. I can capture and save the textual data from the tracker page for future comparison. If you want to visually compare tomorrow, you could manually take a screenshot using your computer's screenshot feature. Would you like me to save the data? Yes, save the data. So it actually read the site and put it back here, and I just saved that in a file. And this data now saves in your records. Can you visit this site in the morning? So now I'm giving it a task to do. Can you visit this site in the morning and save the sector data for my records and email me when it's done? Now I haven't hooked up any of the my email or calendar or anything to this, but I did log in with my Gmail account. So it says a daily task has been scheduled to visit the site each morning, save the sector data for your records, and email you when it's done. You'll receive an email notification after each morning data is saved. Let me know if you want to adjust. So it's got a little clock here and what it said it did. So now I want to ask it, please please put the sector data in a spreadsheet. Let's see if it does that. A spreadsheet for me to download. Okay, so it's working on that. Processing. Okay, doing some Python processing here. Okay, wow. It named the spreadsheet. Great. Where is the spreadsheet? Hmm. Okay, so here. So I'm opening it. Wow, look at that. Okay, that was helpful. All right, wonderful. Okay, so let's see connectors. Gmail with calendar. Connect your account to include Gmail and Google Calendar data in search results. And go back. Oh, can you save the spreadsheet? Can you save the spreadsheet in Google in the Perplexity folder in Google Drive, please? Wow. It's reasoning. I can see the Google Drive interface is loaded, and I need to navigate to the Perplexity folder first, then upload the CSV file. I can see there's a Perplexity folder. Let me double click on the Perplexity folder name to open it. I notice the page hasn't changed. The Perplexity folder is still selected. Good, now the selection is cleared. I need to double click on the Perplexity folder. What? Using the URL approach. Since I can see the folder selected, I'll try navigating to it via URL. It's still at the top since I haven't been able to double click to open it. Let me try uploading current directory and then I can move it. Oh my goodness. Perfect. The new menu is open. I can see the file, the node ID is not valid anymore. System menu closed. Great. Now I see the new menu is open. I can see the file upload button. See the folder, the file uploaded successfully. I can see the file list, but I don't see the newly uploaded file visible list. I still don't see my newly uploaded file. This thing is reasoning, it is talking to itself. Or it's still uploading. Perfect. Now I see the full file list in my drive and I can see Perplexity. Now I see the full file list showing the new menu. I can see the folder. I can see the file upload. Perfect. Now I can see the full file list. I still don't see the CSV. Let's say stop. It looks like you are having trouble uploading the CSV. So please just create a Google Sheets file with the data. Also, change your daily task to just update the Google Sheet and email me and let me know when it is done. Setting up daily update. So this is like taking browsing from just gathering information to actually taking action on information. Wow, this is a great assistant. Still setting up. Why is this camera? Create a new Google Sheet. Let me try double clicking on the folder. I need to find a way to open the file. Okay, so it gave up, but wow, what a great first look. This is going to be a really helpful assistant.